Bzz. How's everybody today? A little while back, we made a chamomile bee pollen syrup. And to my surprise, it turned out fabulous! So much so, I had to make another batch. This is my second batch, and it's going down too. That's how good it is, yeah. So I got to thinking, what am I gonna make with this weird syrup? Well, a lot of you folks suggested I make a bee's knees cocktail, a variation on that. Now, the bee's knees cocktail, well, it's been lost to history, but we do know that it was very popular during Prohibition. The name comes from the Prohibition era slang meaning the best. Kind of like the cat's pajamas, the eel's ankle, the elephant's instep, the snake's hip, or the bee bomb. Now to start, we're just gonna rim half the lip of this glass. I've got some honey. It's all about the bees, you know. I've got some honey. And I'm only gonna scour the lip halfway. And I'm gonna dip it into bee pollen. I love bee pollen. Yeah. I saw some bee pollen tinctures at the health food store today. I was tempted. Anyway, there we go, half a lip. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pop it in my freezer, okay? So, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a little piece of mint here, just one leaf, and we're just gonna drop it in our glass here, and we're gonna add, well, actually we're gonna be using about an ounce of our chamomile bee pollen syrup, and I'm just gonna put just a splash in there for now, and we're gonna muddle. Just gently muddle that little mint leaf with the bee pollen syrup here. Oh yeah, it smells great. The chamomile will put you to sleep. The bee pollen will wake you up. The mint will perk you up. Okay, we're gonna add the rest of our bee pollen syrup, chamomile bee pollen syrup. We're gonna add some booze to this now. I picked up this new bottle of gin, Hidden Temple. And look at this lovely, lovely label. I mean, I think the bees actually live in this garden. That's what attracted me to it, you know? This is Hidden Temple Gin by Nickel 9 Distillery. This gin is made in a traditional dry style and is botanical forward. The nose is juniper first, and then followed by a soft woodiness of spruce and cedar. Then that is followed by citrus, lemon peel, lime peel, and grapefruit, with a hint of peppercorn. At 41.6% alcohol by volume, or 83.2 proof, overall it's a nice gin. A little pricey, but hey, you get what you pay for. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a little try here. Ah, yeah. Medium body with a fruity, spicy, sweet finish. Yeah, not a bad gin. Okay, let's add some gin. We're gonna go for 2 ounces. Next is Domaine de Canton. What can I say about Domaine de Canton? A ginger liqueur. At 28% alcohol by volume, or 56 proof, this is a one-of-a-kind French liqueur. It's infused with cognac and ginger, Tahitian vanilla bean, and honey. It's rich, it's delicious, and it has a real freshness to it. I like it. All right, what we want is just a half an ounce. Now we're gonna add 3/4 ounces of fresh pressed lemon juice. Whoa, that's a nice juicy lemon for a change. For sure. There we are, right there. Okay, Next is mango juice. Now I didn't make my own mango juice this time, I ran out. So I had to buy store-bought. And if you're gonna buy store-bought, you wanna look for a brand that's just pure juice. Maybe a little sugar added, but that's it, okay? We have 1/2 ounce. Oh yeah. And to this, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. That was 3. Oh yeah, that's smelling great. Add some ice. Pop a lid on and shake it. Shake it like you just got stung. Ow! Shake it good. Shake it good, get some dilution going on. All right. And grab our pre-prepped cocktail glass out of the freezer. All right, grab our little glass here. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. And basically we're just gonna double strain into our chilled cocktail glass. Beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. Ha! Mine, 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 mine. Wow. It's delicious. Delicious. I'm getting just a hint of mint. Ever so slight. It's kind of like in the background, right? Just perking everything up. It's not sweet. It's actually quite citrusy, believe it or not. That's delightful. But be careful with these because, well, you have 2 or 3 of them, you'll be on the floor. Stung by a bee. Cheers! Perfect. Next is the main de Canton. Next is the main. Everything's a song to me. It's sad. Be excited. Be adventurous. Be curious. Be a subscriber. Check the other videos out. Make this wonderful delight nectar of the bee gods. It's delicious. Delicious? There's no such word.